Welcome back. In this video, we're doing a follow-up on a previous software we reviewed called Taja AI, where I'm going to talk a little bit more about the specifics of this platform that I really love and what I feel like is really worth it if you're looking for something to create short-form pieces of content from your long-form videos. Let's go ahead and dive on in. All right, so if you haven't watched our previous video going over Taja AI, then please feel free to check that out. I go a little bit more in depth into the things that I like, things that I don't love, and what it does really great. But in this video, I want to specifically focus on Taja AI for repurposing long form content into short form content, and then of course, repurposing that content onto other platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, etc. Let's go ahead and dive on in. So Taja AI, again, it's a newer platform. We talked about this in our original video. It definitely is something that is growing and adapting really quickly. But I think where they really have taken over and are dominating is the ability to create really amazing content that is repurposed for short form videos, as well as being able to see how that content is growing. Now, I've done previous videos reviewing other softwares such as Feed.io, such as Taja AI as well. But the main thing that I want to focus on today is how Taja AI works when it comes to creating your content into repurposed short form content. The thing that really sold me on Taja AI was the ability to bulk auto schedule. Now, that might not seem like a big deal for most folks, but one of the things that I found to be really frustrating is I wasn't able to bulk auto schedule directly from platforms like Feed.io or like Video, but instead I had to basically download, upload, etc. What I really loved about this option is if I go and create my video content over here, I can go and view the repurposed content that it went ahead and created. So it took my long form video and automatically goes and finds all of the different short form pieces of content that it thinks are going to do the best. Two things that I really love about the way that Taja AI does this in comparison to other platforms. One is it actually links directly in the short video description, the link to the long form video. This was a game changer, and I think one of the biggest reasons why the pieces of short content that I create on Taja actually drive more traffic to my channel and increase the growth on my channel because they're linking directly to it and I don't have to go and do that work manually. So that makes up in a lot of ways for the lack of editing on this that I don't really care to spend as much time doing, because for me, it's more so about getting the content out there and having it auto schedule. So here you can see it automatically finds those shorts, it creates them. And then this is my favorite piece, the bulk auto schedule. So I can come in here, I can select all 6 of those short form videos, go to continue, and then I can automatically auto schedule those on whatever platforms I want. I personally just use them on YouTube. You do have the option to link with these other platforms, LinkedIn, TikTok, Instagram, etc., and then go and schedule. So just like that, it will automatically go and schedule out all of that content onto your content calendar, so you don't even have to think about it. And I think that alone was probably the biggest selling point into why I chose to stick with Taja AI and continue to use it on the regular. But the other thing that we can look at here is if we go over to our content calendar, I can see here all of the different pieces of content that I have scheduled from Taja over to my main YouTube channel. So this is for May, we took a little break there. And then as you can see, all the way through pretty much the end of June, I have content going out every day, sometimes twice a day for my videos, which is something that would normally take me a lot more time to do. But luckily, because of the way that Taja AI integrates with YouTube, I don't have to actually go onto YouTube at all. So if you're looking for your next tool for creating the short form version and repurposing your content as quickly as possible from your YouTube videos into your YouTube shorts, then Taja AI is definitely a great option out there if it's something you want to check out. If you do want to check out Taja AI, check out the link in the description below this video. It is an affiliate link, so if you do purchase and are sign up through our link, we do get a commission from that, so thank you very much. Otherwise, if you enjoyed this content, as always, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all in future videos.